How to adjust colors on NanoBanana AI. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for NanoBanana AI and navigate to its website. After you are in the website, you would see this kind of web interface. Make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to adjust colors in NanoBanana AI, over here in this page, if you scroll down, here you can see AI editor section. Here you have two different options, image to image and text to image. You can select either one. For now, I've selected the image to image option. Tap on this add image field. It will let you select the image from your gallery. Select any image that you want to edit. After you select the image, you can see this main prompt section. Tap on this field. Now from here, you can provide the text prompts in order to adjust the colors of the picture. Give a prompt according to your needs. You can explain every adjustment in details. Mention the color that you want to apply. You can adjust the brightness. You can do all these by providing the prompts. So explain everything over here. And once you're done, you can tap on this Generate Now button. The NanoBanana AI will process this and generate the output over here. So that's it. That's how you can easily adjust colors on NanoBanana AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.